Have you ever wondered where Tesla's ambitious humanoid robot, Optimus, has gone? We've seen glimpses of it during Tesla AI Day events, but it seems to have vanished from the public eye. In this video, we'll delve into the mystery surrounding Optimus and explore the potential reasons for its absence. When Elon Musk first unveiled Optimus at Tesla AI Day in 2021, it sent shockwaves through the tech world. The idea of a humanoid robot capable of performing tasks like humans was both exciting and daunting. Musk promised that Optimus would be a game-changer, revolutionizing industries from manufacturing to household chores. The initial demonstrations of Optimus were impressive, showcasing its ability to walk, lift objects, and even perform basic tasks. However, it was clear that the robot was still in its early stages of development. Many experts questioned whether Tesla could deliver on its ambitious timeline. Challenges and delays. As time went on, it became apparent that developing a humanoid robot was a far more complex undertaking than initially anticipated. Tesla faced numerous challenges, including hardware limitations. Creating a robot that can move and interact with the world in a human-like manner requires advanced hardware components. Tesla may have encountered difficulties in sourcing or developing these components. Software complexity. Programming a robot to perform tasks autonomously is a massive challenge. Tesla likely had to overcome significant hurdles in developing the necessary software algorithms. Safety concerns. Ensuring that a humanoid robot can operate safely around humans is crucial. Tesla would have needed to implement robust safety features to prevent accidents. Economic factors. Developing a new product, especially one as complex as Optimus, requires substantial investment. Economic factors, such as market conditions or changes in company priorities, could have influenced Tesla's decision to slow down or pause development. Theories and speculations. Given the lack of public updates on Optimus, various theories and speculations have emerged. Behind-the-scenes development. It's possible that Tesla has been focusing on refining Optimus in private rather than showcasing it publicly. This approach could allow the company to address any issues and improve the robot's capabilities before a wider release. Shift in priorities. Some speculate that Tesla may have shifted its focus to other projects, such as its electric vehicles or energy storage solutions. The development of Optimus might have been temporarily put on hold to prioritize these other endeavors. Technical difficulties. There's a chance that Tesla has encountered significant technical challenges that have delayed Optimus's progress. These challenges could be related to hardware, software, or safety concerns. Market uncertainties. The global economic climate and potential market uncertainties could have influenced Tesla's decision to slow down or pause development. The future of Optimus. While the current status of Optimus remains unclear, it's important to remember that Tesla is a company known for its ambitious goals and innovative approach. It's possible that the robot will eventually make a comeback, with even more impressive capabilities than we've seen so far. The mystery surrounding Tesla's Optimus robot continues to intrigue and fascinate. While we may not have all the answers at this time, it's clear that the development of humanoid robots is a complex and challenging endeavor. As technology continues to advance, we can only wait and see what the future holds for Optimus and the field of robotics. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.